My name is Cameron Packram, and this is my service dog, Grace Packram. She's got this beautiful, beautiful eyes. She's got these chubby cheeks. She's just one of a kind. When I was 15, my sophomore year of high school, I had an accident at the pool that I grew up in where I dove in and I broke my neck in the C4 through C6 area of my spinal cord. And I was a little bit anxious and nervous about coming to school because of the new situation that I was in, the new look I had. I didn't want people to judge me for the new person I am. But ever since I got Grace, everybody's just looking at Grace instead of seeing me in my wheelchair, and I'm so happy about that. I feel less anxious, less nervous. I feel more comfortable going out. I feel like I can actually be myself again in public. Now I look forward to going to school with Grace. She's the most prettiest girl on campus. Grace helps support me emotionally and physically as well. Grace helps me in so many ways. She can help me open the door and close the door. She can help me get help if I need help. She can help me retrieve things that I can't reach, which is on the floor. But not only those physical tasks she helps me with, she also helps me and aids me in spiritually and emotional ways. Assistance Dogs of Hawaii have provided me with this blessing named Grace. They actually take the time and gauge what your personality is and see if it matches your dog's. If I'm gonna be honest, it was kind of exciting meeting a me in a dog form. She has helped me to overcome a great amount of depression and anxiety that I've had since my injury. Grace is really my soulmate.
Hi, my name is Michelle Hadano, and I am the Director for Acute Care Services here at the Queens Medical Center. I've been working with EPO now for a little over 8 years, and during that time, she has probably seen over 10,000 patients. She just seems to know what patients just need her the most.
I've been active with Assistance Dogs of Hawaii for almost a decade and have seen the importance of the program both with individuals who receive dogs and partner with dogs, but also in a place like Queens. When we talk about the impact of an individual animal, is the amplified effect of being in a 700-bed hospital and the number of lives, the patients' families that these dogs touch every day is really just amazing and overwhelming.
And there's so many things going on for those patients, tests, just new procedures, and she really helps to decrease that fear and that anxiety and brings that calmness to them that they need, just being part of that journey in getting better. So we had one patient that Ipo and I saw that was injured in a fireworks accident. He was a young boy and just a wonderful family. When Ipo came, he just was so happy, and his family, you could tell, that it was just making them happy as well and lifting their spirits, and that's what she's here for. And she does it so well. So having Ipo come to visit just breaks down that barrier, that wall of fear, and it really helps to comfort them and just makes that day better. People never used to smile at me when I came to the units. Life is so much different with Ipo. But you know, they are all practicing to say my name first now before they say Ipo. Yeah, where's Ipo is the first question I get.
Hi, I'm Rich Julian, and I have a service dog named Duke. I love Duke's personality. He's just kind of like a good old boy lab. He's just a very easygoing, mellow dog that everybody really loves, and he's just a great team partner to have with me on a daily basis. Duke allows me to live an active lifestyle and just get out there and just enjoy my life, and it's just such a great thing to have a partner who's so in tune with you and just happy to be out there with you. No matter where you're going or what you're doing, he's ready there, waiting for you, and just excited to be with you, and that makes life fun to live. Yeah, Duke and I love to get up in the morning and just get ready and get out on the bike and go take a stroll around the block and just get some exercise in and just start our day off with some good fun. I drop my glasses all the time, so I have him pick them up all the time. So that's one of the things he does for me on a regular basis. Trying to push and hold things, and so the picking up things is a huge one for him. The pulling of the wheelchair was huge. Like even yesterday when we were at the school, you know, the kids were all walking on the sidewalk, and just to show off with him, I had to pull me, and we're like blowing past all these kids. You know, he's enjoying himself and I'm enjoying myself. We're just going for a ride. Duke is an amazing dog. He is just so easy to handle. As a person in a wheelchair who's out in public with him all the time, it's just really nice to know that you have a dog that is so well trained and that is so in tune with your every single movement and all of the thoughts that are going through your head. You really don't have to speak to him at all. He kind of just knows what you're thinking. One of the greatest things about assistance dogs of Hawaii is that they match their dogs to their partners with the utmost care for skill and personality, and they just really take the time to make sure that the dogs are paired with the right person for their lifestyle and for their needs. I recently got married a few years ago and had some children, and we added Duke to our family as well, and it's definitely completed our family, and our family feels whole with all the children and the dogs, and it's definitely a very loving environment for all of us.